Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by getting your data into Google Sheets. You want clean rows and labeled columns. You open the slides deck and select the slide where the chart belongs. Once done, choose Insert Chart or copy a chart from Sheets. This gives you either a linked chart that updates when the sheet changes or a pasted static image. Make sure to name your sheet tabs clearly, because linking relies on the correct sheet and range, and that saves time later. Now insert the chart. Use Insert Chart from Sheets if you want live updates, otherwise choose a built-in chart and edit it in Slides. Once the chart appears, click to open the linked chart menu or edit in Sheets to change series, axis scales, labels, and colors. This is where you make the data readable. Once you customize styling, resize, and align with Arrange tools, make sure fonts and colors match your theme so viewers instantly understand the data. Finish by confirming the chart updates correctly. Edit the source sheet, return to Slides, and hit Update on the linked chart. This ensures the slide reflects current data. Once you're satisfied, test full screen and export to PDF to check clarity and label sizes. If something goes wrong, make sure the Sheets file is shared properly and relink the chart. Broken links usually mean permission issues or moved files. One tip: keep a static image backup on a hidden slide in case live linking misbehaves.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.